Did you know that nearly 40% of all food produced in the United States is wasted every year? That's right. Almost half of the food grown, shipped, and sold ends up in the trash. And much of that waste comes from fruits and vegetables that spoil before they're ever eaten. The main culprit? Improper storage. It's a staggering statistic that not only highlights a huge environmental and economic problem, but also points to a simple truth. With the right know-how, you can keep your veggies fresher for longer, save money, and help reduce food waste at home. Proper vegetable storage isn't just about keeping your fridge tidy or making your groceries last until the next shopping trip. It's about preserving nutrients, maintaining flavor, and ensuring your food is safe and delicious to eat. In this guide, you'll learn how to troubleshoot common storage problems, discover the best ways to keep different veggies crisp and flavorful, and unlock expert tips for maximizing shelf life. By the end, you'll be equipped with pro-level strategies to make the most of every head of lettuce, carrot, and cucumber you bring home. Let's start by looking at the most common issues people face when storing vegetables. Spoilage is the #1 problem. Those sad wilted greens, mushy tomatoes, or slimy cucumbers lurking in the crisper drawer. These aren't just unpleasant, they're a sign that precious nutrients are being lost. When vegetables break down, they lose vitamins, minerals, and flavor, leaving you with food that's less nutritious and less appetizing. Another challenge is premature ripening, which is often caused by storing sensitive produce next to ethylene-producing fruits like apples or tomatoes. Excess moisture is another enemy, turning crisp veggies soggy and encouraging the growth of mold and bacteria. So, how can you overcome these challenges and store your veggies like a pro? The key is understanding that not all vegetables are created equal when it comes to storage. Let's break down the best methods for different types of produce, from leafy greens to sturdy roots, and everything in between. Leafy greens, think spinach, kale, and lettuce, are among the most delicate vegetables. To keep them fresh, store them unwashed in a breathable container, such as a mesh bag or a perforated plastic bag. Add a dry paper towel to absorb excess moisture, which helps prevent wilting and rot. Only wash your greens right before you use them, since washing too early introduces moisture that speeds up spoilage. Root vegetables like carrots, beets, and radishes are hardier, but they still need proper care. For carrots, try storing them submerged in cold water in the refrigerator. This keeps them crisp and slows down dehydration. Change the water every few days to maintain freshness. Potatoes, on the other hand, prefer a cool, dark, and dry place. Think of a pantry or cellar. Avoid storing potatoes in the fridge, as cold temperatures can turn their starches into sugar and affect their taste. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts do best in the fridge, stored in their original packaging or in a loose plastic bag. Make sure there's enough airflow and don't wash them until you're ready to cook. For tomatoes, the rule is to keep them at room temperature until they're fully ripe, then move them to the fridge to slow down further ripening. For herbs like cilantro, parsley, and basil, treat them like fresh flowers. Trim the stems and place them in a glass of water, then cover loosely with a plastic bag and refrigerate. This method can keep herbs vibrant for up to a week. Freezing is another excellent way to preserve vegetables, especially if you have more than you can use before they spoil. Blanch veggies like green beans, peas, and broccoli in boiling water for a few minutes, then plunge them into ice water to stop the cooking process. Dry thoroughly and store in airtight containers or freezer bags. This locks in nutrients and flavor, giving you a ready supply of veggies for soups, stews, and stir-fries. Using the right containers is crucial for vegetable storage. Breathable containers, like mesh bags, allow air circulation and prevent excess moisture buildup. Airtight containers are great for chopped veggies, but make sure the vegetables are dry before sealing them up. Glass containers are ideal for storing leftovers and prepped vegetables, as they don't retain odors and keep food tasting fresh. Now, let's reveal the top 3 expert tips for maximizing the shelf life of your vegetables. These are the game changers that can make a real difference in your kitchen. First, avoid overcrowding your refrigerator. While it's tempting to pack in as much as possible, vegetables need space for air to circulate. Overcrowding traps moisture and heat, accelerating spoilage. Arrange your vegetables so they're loosely packed, and use separate bins or containers to keep similar types together. Second, maintain optimal temperature. The sweet spot for most vegetables is between 32 degrees and 40 degrees, or 0 degrees C to 4 degrees. This slows down the spoilage process and keeps your produce crisp and flavorful. If your fridge has a humidity-controlled drawer, use it for leafy greens and herbs. They thrive in higher humidity, while fruits and root vegetables prefer lower humidity. Third, separate ethylene-producing produce from ethylene-sensitive vegetables. Ethylene is a natural gas that some fruits and veggies release, speeding up the ripening process. Apples, bananas, and tomatoes are major ethylene producers, while leafy greens, cucumbers, and carrots are sensitive to it. Store these groups apart to prevent premature ripening and extend shelf life. Let's recap the key points for expert vegetable storage. Know the unique needs of each type of vegetable, use the right containers, and keep your fridge organized and at the right temperature. Don't forget to separate ethylene producers from sensitive veggies, and always handle your produce with care to avoid bruising and damage. The benefits of effective vegetable storage go far beyond keeping your fridge clean. You'll enjoy fresher, tastier meals, save money by reducing waste, and do your part for the environment by keeping perfectly good food out of the landfill. Small changes in the way you store your veggies can add up to big results over time, not just for your wallet, but for your health and the planet. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about getting the most out of your food, be sure to subscribe. You'll get the latest updates, expert advice, and practical solutions for everyday kitchen challenges. Thanks for tuning in, and happy veggie storing!